Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to Episode 88. We're continuing our look around San Francisco. After returning from Alcatraz, we're back on the mainland and walking down Market Street towards the San Francisco center. Market Street has long been one of the city's most defining thoroughfares, stretching from the ferry building on the waterfront through the financial district and into the civic center. It has been the core of public life for over a century, carrying streetcars, parades, and protests, and constantly evolving with the times. But today, its energy feels different, a mixture of beauty and tension, renewal and challenge. As we walk, it's impossible not to notice the visible security presence throughout the downtown area. Guards stand outside stores, patrol building of entrances, and monitor public spaces. Like many US cities, San Francisco has faced growing issues with homelessness, petty crime, and safety concerns, particularly around central transit and shopping zones. Businesses and property owners now employ private security as a routine precaution, a reminder of the social contrasts that coexist within just a few city blocks. Arriving at the San Francisco Center, its grand dome and curved facade still evoke an earlier age of confidence and commerce. Opened in 1988 and once home to the Emporium and Nordstrom, it was designed as a statement of downtown revival. Inside, the architecture remains impressive. Marble floors, wrought iron balconies, and the skylit rotunda rising several stories high. We walk about 30 meters inside, taking in the calm interior before being approached by security. Filming isn't permitted here without authorization, and they politely ask me to stop recording. It's a firm but professional reminder of how carefully public areas are now managed. Even here, in a building meant for open shopping and gathering, controlled access has become the norm. Turning back towards the entrance, we pause to take one last look at the space. Still elegant but watched over closely, like much of downtown. Outside, Market Street continues as a mix of history and modern reality, where the city's architecture tells one story and its security presence quietly tells another. That concludes today's episode, a walk down Market Street and a brief glimpse inside the San Francisco Center, offering a small but honest reflection of how the city continues to balance beauty, complexity, and caution.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.